Hello awesome people, welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to create a theme page in WordPress website. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like WooCommerce, classified listing, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So you can check my YouTube channel, and I request to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and inspire me. Okay, very fast let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to another tab, and this is the theme section. Actually you can see grid layout. If you scroll down, then you can see lots of styles are here. So in this tutorial we are going to add this type of theme section or theme page in our WordPress website, and definitely I will do it with Elementor free plugin, and it has lots of features like you can add this type of grid layout, list layout and slider and isotope as well. And if you want, they can use, if you click over here, then it will open a single page. Just click over here, then you can see this is the team member single page and you can use it. If you want, then you can disable as well. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, and very fast we have to install a WordPress free plugin. So go to the add plugin and search here theme. If you search here theme, then maybe you will get lots of theme plugin, but I think this is the best theme plugin for WordPress website. I have checked another plugin, but I think it's perfect for WordPress website. That's why it has lots of feature, like you can use it with Elementor, shortcode or Gutenberg, and it has lots of free layout like grid layout, isotope, slider and list layout as well. So without any confusion you can use this plugin. So just click over here, install now, activate. After install and activating the plugin, maybe you will be redirected in this page. This is the plugin settings area. So or you can close or you can remove this URL from here. Okay, and you can see in left side menu theme option is added. This is the theme. Okay, so if you hover on it, then you can see all members, add new member, designation, department and shortcode generator and settings. So if you want, then very fast you can add designation and department from here, then it will be easier to add a member. So we can do it, designation, just right here designation, just I want to add like senior web developer. Okay, I have added this designation like technical team lead, apps developer, HR manager and senior web developer. So in this way you can add more designation, like if you can add here UX UI designer, okay, UX UI designer, just add new designation. So in this way you can add designation from here. Then the department, just click over here, department, like I want to add here HR. So in this way you can add department from here. Okay, I have added this department. You can add more department from here. Now let's check how we can add a member. So click over here, add a new member, and very fast you have to give the team member name. Here we can copy from our example website, like click here and it will open a single page. This is the team single page. Just copy the name from here, then paste here. Set featured image, you can give image from here. Just click here from the right side top, then the upload files, select files. Okay, this is I want to give it, so open it. From the left side sorry, from the right side bottom, set featured image. Okay, this is the image. Just scroll down, then short bio you can give here, like I want to give like this. Just paste here. Then the experience, it's actually full feature, but we are using free plugin. Okay, so email you can give here for email address, then the telephone I want to give it. Okay, then the fax I don't want to give it, or if you want then you can give it like this. Okay, then the personal website I want to give it like, just copy and here. Then the location, scroll down, then you can see member social link. You can add member social link from here. Just add new. You can see this is the Facebook, like I want to give here hash, then again add new. Then you can change from here. Just click this down arrow, then I link LinkedIn, I give it LinkedIn, then the add new. Okay, then just YouTube I want to give it. Okay, so in this way you can give the member social link here. Then in the right side middle you can see designation. You have to add designation from here. So already I have added designation. Now just I have to select it. Designation I want to give like apps developer, then the department development. Okay, and just scroll up, then finally published from the right side top. Now visit this member page and let's check how does it look. Okay, we have to reset the permalink. So again go to the settings to permalink. Then save changes. Then again refresh it. Okay, you can see it's all fine. So in this way you can add more team member. Okay, so actually I need more team member. So now I pause the video here. I will back after adding more member. Okay, so please wait a few moments only. So I have added this team member. You can add same way, add more team member. Okay, so now I want to add this team member in my website with shortcode. After shortcode I will show you how to show this team member with Elementor as well. Okay, so from the team member menu you can see designation, department and shortcode generator. So you have to click over here shortcode. Okay, before generating the shortcode we have to complete the settings. So navigate to the settings tab. This is the settings, just check it. You can see general setting and select if you want, then you can change the select from here. Actually I want to use the default select, and the resume button actually is for the pro feature. So if you want to use pro feature then you can change it from here. Okay, then the conditional script loading, you can see load all script what Elementor and Gutenberg is I want to use it. If you want then you can use anyone like for Elementor or shortcode as well. So I want to use for both. Okay, so save changes. Now we can close this settings panel. Then the shortcode, we have to generate shortcode from here. It's super easy, like click over here at post. Then you have to write here the shortcode or post name. I want to give like my team member. Okay, my team. Okay, just my team. Then layout, you can select layout from here. This is the grid layout actually. Okay, and I want to use layout 2. This is the grid layout, then the layout 2. If you want then you can check and use any one of them, and you can check it which is perfect for you, then you can use it. Okay, so I think layer 2 will be perfect for me, so click over here and select it. Okay, then the column desktop I want to give like 3 column, and tab for 2 is perfect and mobile for 1. Then the taxonomy filter, actually you can see this filtering is for feature and pagination I want to use it, you can use it. Then the pagination type, pagination is the full feature, so I want to use only pagination, or I can deselect it. Then the image size I want to give like large size, okay, so you can change it from here like medium, okay, I want to give large size. Then the short description limit, if you want then you can limit the short description, so I want to give like 50. Then the after short description I don't want to show anything, if you want then you can give the text here, okay. Then the my resume button text you can give here like my CV, okay, the hire me, you can write here hire me. Actually it's a full feature, but you can give here. Then the read more button text I want to give read more, and details page link, if you want, if you click over here the team member, then it will open a single page, so you have to enable it, or if you don't want to use the single page then you can deselect it. Actually I want to use single page, so select it. Then again just scroll up, then the filter you can check include only, if you want then you can show any specific team member from here and you can choose from here. Then the exclude, if you want only exclude only one or two member, then you can select from here, okay. Then the limit I want to give like 3, okay, if you want then you can give here any number. Then the department you can give department here. Actually I want to show all department, so it will be blank. Then the order by name, and the definitely it will be descending order, okay. You can see the preview, okay, this is the preview, okay, it looks very good, okay. Then the publish it, and navigate to the another tab, field settings. Actually field selection you can select field from here. Actually I don't want to sum, if you want then you can deselect from here, okay. I want to keep it all field, so only for this tutorial purpose. If you want then you can deselect from here, like if you don't want to then you can deselect this fax mobile, okay. So I want to give all fields, so check all field, then the update it. Then the my team, and this is the shortcode. I want to insert this shortcode where I want to show the team member, so just click and copy this shortcode, and we can make a new page, or we can add shortcode any page, okay. So just make a new page, like go to the pages and add a new page. Page name is our team, okay, our team, and you can see template from here. Just I want to give it Elementor full width. Then the click this plus icon and search here shortcode. This is the shortcode, and paste here the shortcode, then publish it. Finally visit the page and check it, okay. You can see this is our team page, okay. So maybe it looks better, so if you want then you can reduce or you can deselect some field from here, then it will look much better, okay. So let's check how can we do it. So again go to the settings, this is the plugin settings, and the shortcode generator, edit this, and field selection, like I want to remove it, fax, mobile telephone, okay, only for the test purpose. Just let's check how can it looks, update it and refresh it, okay. You can see it looks much better. Then again I want to show it with the Elementor, okay. But before doing it, now let's check how can we change this style. So again go to the edit shortcode, this is the shortcode, and go to the layout. We can change layout from here, like if you want then you can use another layout, like this is the list layout, okay. So you can give here, or this is the slider, actually I want to give it, this is the carousel, and update it, Okay, let's check it. This is our team and refresh it. Okay, you can see this is the carousel. Just scroll, just refresh this page. Okay, we have to work with the shortcode. So again, just go to the carousel option, loop, and in a button is we want to give it or to hide. Okay, it's okay, and I want to give like a small image, so you can change image size from here like medium. Then the update it and refresh the page and check it. Okay, you can see this is the slider. Okay, so now I want to show you how we can add this section with Elementor. So again, go to the website and edit this page with Elementor. Just scroll down, then add new section here. Okay, I want to remove it. Actually previously I have added it. Then again click on this plus sign, take a new section, click on plus icon, and just you can see this is the team member showcase. Okay, just drag and drop from here. Like if you want, then you can use the grid layout. You can see this is the grid layout. Okay, this is the grid layout, and you can go to the settings. Okay, you can see content details. I want to just show designation and show short bio. I don't want to show it. Okay, now it looks good. Publish it and refresh the page and check it. Okay, you can see if you click here, then it will redirect to the single page. Okay, so again go to the settings. This is the Elementor actually. Okay, so click this plus icon and you can use from here like a isotope. Okay, isotope, or so this is the slider. So you can check all layout from here. This is the slider and settings. I want to hide it from here. So in this way you can check it and use which is perfect for you. Okay, this is the details page. If you want, then you can disable details page from here. Then the publish it and finally check it. Just scroll down, then you can see this is the layout. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add team member section or team member page in our WordPress website, and it has lots of style and layout. You can use any one of them which is perfect for you. Thanks for watching the video.